I don't need to really talk about the brand because you guys experienced it, right?
Asawa ko ito. Bandit. Alam mo, I didn't see your text.
Oh, how you doing?
Hindi na lang, sabi ko sinabi na.
Malapit.
This is me times cheese. So every course will have tonight will have some sort of cheese in it. Okay?
Buy perfect.
Buy perfect. Yeah, no.
It's a special blend for pizza. Yes, mozzarella, cheddar, and parmesan. So it comes cheddar. Kasi some people, di ba, instead of using mozzarella, it's just flat. Yeah. We want extra flavor. Right. So this one is a bit meat.
Okay ah.
Yes. Cool.
You want to pass?
Thank you. Kapag may party sa Kapamana or sa ibang lugar, magbahay, hinakita ko piya. Ito kasi ikat ako.
Pero magsabi, huwag na tayo mga sa akin.
Wala na yun ang alam. Ay di, mag-CR na ako.
Liquid and white.
Catholic cruises na yun.
Yung nga sabi ni Richard, bayad na doon.
Tapos hindi ko dun sa kabilang side ng road. Hindi ko. Kung ganun ako, kinakalkal ko yun. Kasi
Para ka nag-swim sa kanila.
Nagpunta kami sa Cebu, yung sinulog, sinulog fever. Kaso yung lang pag-ilang week na yung week before yung before.
We also gave you
Here. So, what can you say about the Perfect Italiano? In terms of adding it as ingredients for your dishes?
To be quite honest, in a pinch, it's pretty good. I was pretty surprised with some work better than others, in my opinion. But generally, it's very usable. Very, very usable. Yeah.
So, from the dishes that you prepared for us, ano yung parang,
We didn't use any other cheese.
parang Perfect Italiano pala
Everything's
yun.
perfect.
Pero yung, meron ka ba time na nag-aalangan na yung sa taste niya, hindi naman?
Pasado.
Pasado. So any advice, parang may tips ka ba for cooking with the Perfect Italiano?
It's a great, going to the supermarket, it's a great thing to pick up from the supermarket. It is very versatile. They're very versatile cheeses. So you can mix and match, things like that.
Bagay siya.
And the mozzarella cheese, I was very happy with how it turned out with the pasta. It was a fun pasta. It's it's a very simple, very rustic. Tapos maganda kasi nagmemet lahat. Tapos medyo gooey siya. Which I think is what a lot of people, who doesn't like gooey cheese on their pasta?
Also, I like the clams.
Oh, thank you.
Yun yung panara sa akin. Like, iba yung lasa niya. Tapos parang may cheese siyang,
Yes.
yung parang sunog na cheese.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.